market research, we have two types. The first one is the custom research, second one is the syndicated research. Any organization which wants to have latest marketing trends or latest marketing insights, so they can always make use of the syndicated research and gain the valuable market insights. With the help of syndicated research, we can always identify who are the players in the market. So whether they are customers, whether they are clients, or whether they are the business houses. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this unit 2 of session 4, let us see what is market research, what is syndicated research, and what are the advantages of syndicated research. Now, in this, what do we mean by market research? So, market research is the systemic gathering of information about analysis of the factors that influence an industry. So, market research deals with the systemic gathering of information. So, you gather information and analyze about the factors that influence an industry. So, what are those factors which affect the industry? You just study those factors. Emerging trends, customer behavior, brand positioning, product usage, etc. So, in market research, all these things are included. Now, what are these things included? All the factors which influence the industry, emerging trends. So, what are the latest changes in the fashions? Then, customer behavior. What is the behavior of the customer? Brand positioning. Where do you position your brand? Product usage, etc. The data generated through the market research is an invaluable tool for professionals working in brand marketing, competitive intelligence, or business strategy. So, whatever the data they are collecting through the help of this market research, it will help in brand marketing, competitive intelligence, and it will also help in business strategies. Next, armed with information produced by sound research practices, companies can make data-driven decisions to ensure maximum return on investment. So, we all know that most of the investments are done to earn profits. So, in order to earn maximum profits or maximum return on the investment, it will be mandatory to take decisions based on the data collected by the research intelligence. So, whatever the data is collected by the researchers, so it will help in the decision making of the company. So, from the return on investment from the marketing spend, focus the efforts on the right market segments and prepare for future developments and changes in the market. So, whatever the data is being collected by the researchers, so it will help the marketers in just deciding on what is the marketing spend. So, how much they should spend on the market. Then focus their efforts on the right market segments. So, what are the right market segments for them? So, which market segments are most profitable, and prepare for future developments and changes in the market. So, the data collected will help in future developments and also the changes in the market. Next. The next concept we have to study is syndicated research. Now, what is this syndicated research? It is the research that is independently conducted, published, and sold by a market research firm. So, market research firms, these firms are exclusively based on collecting the information. So, it is a research that is independently collected. So, they don't collect this kind of a data for a certain purpose, but their main aim is to collect the data, publish and sold. So, they just collect the data, publish it and sell it. So, that is their main work of that particular research organization. So, this kind of a research we call it as the syndicated research. The market research firm leverages its industry expertise and experience to determine the subject and scope of the study, including the questions asked and the populations targeted, and offers its results and analysis to multiple clients. So, all those firms which are engaged in market research with the help of their own intelligence, they try to collect the information relating to the subject and scope of study. So, what are the various aspects of the marketing most of the business houses needed, so that they decide what is the subject and also what is the scope of the study, and they will also think about what are the questions they will be asking the prospective clients and also the population targeted. So, who are their respondents? Whom will they ask the questions and offer its results and analysis? So, whatever is the result of this collection of data, so it will be sold to multiple clients. So, most of the business houses, those who are interested in collection of this kind of information, so they will be providing this information to almost all the business organizations which are interested in this kind of information. Next, what is the difference between custom and syndicated research? So, generally, market research firms offer their services in two forms: custom research and syndicated research. So, in market research, we have two types. The first one is the custom research, second one is the syndicated research. The basic difference between the two is who funds it and who has ownership of the data. So, the customs data and the syndicated research. So, the main difference between custom research and syndicated research is in customs research, who is owning it and who is funding it. So, who is funding it and who is the owner of the data? So, this is the main difference. So, the custom research is specifically conducted for and funded by a single client company, and the results are proprietary to the client. So, whatever is the information collected by the research organization, it will be the exclusive property of that particular client. So, this information, whatever they have, research organization has collected, they cannot divulge it to other business houses. Whereas, the data from syndicated studies is owned by the research firm. So, when there is a collection of data by the research firm on its own, that we call it as the syndicated research, and it is the data which is owned by the research firm. Then, one of the key benefits of syndicated research is cost efficiency. Because the same research results are purchased by several companies, the cost of performing the research is spread out among those companies. So, investing in syndicated research is often a cost-effective solution for firms seeking to gain valuable market insight. So, this syndicated research is one of the most cost-effective kind of research. Why do we say this? See, because whatever the findings of this kind of a research organization, so it can be spread over large number of companies. So, what are the information they have collected with the help of their research, they can always sell it to most of the business organizations. As a result of which, such kind of a research becomes most cost effective. So, it will become more economical in the long run. So, investing in syndicated research is often a cost-effective solution for firms seeking to get valuable market insight. So, any organization which wants to have latest marketing trends or latest marketing insights, so they can always make use of the syndicated research and gain the valuable market insights. Then, next, what are the benefits of syndicated research? So, providing a representative overview of the market. So, with the custom research often focuses on smaller subjects or issue or population, good syndicated research ensures a representative sample of the overall market. So, in case of a syndicated research, so it is providing a representative overview of the market. So, the entire market as such, we get an overview of it with the help of syndicated research. Whereas in case of customs research, it will be usually based on a particular issue, or it will be based on a smaller subject relating to that particular company. So, but if you want to have an overall view of the market, it is always best to go in for the syndicated research. So, it provides a clear representation of the players in the market, whether they are customers, clients or businesses. So with the help of syndicated research, we can always identify who are the players in the market. So whether they are customers, whether they are clients, or whether they are the business houses. The sample should be large enough and weighted appropriately to accurately provide relevant and actionable intelligence. So whatever the sample that is being collected by the syndicated research, they should take care that the samples collected are large enough and weighted appropriately so that we can get accurate results for our research. Then trends. So because syndicated research is undertaken on a large scale, it often provides a macro level overview of the issues facing a particular industry. So it is useful for organizations looking to understand the market landscape and their position in it, as well as those looking to gain a jump start on issues likely to affect the industry in the future. So this kind of a syndicated research, it will help us in understanding the trends in the industry. So it is always done on a very large scale, so we can have a macro level view of the issues facing by the organization. So it is useful for organizations looking to understand the market landscape. So what is this market landscape? So we can always assess what kind of a market it is. So whether the particular market is favorable for the company's products or not. Then next, and their position in it. So what is the company's position in that particular market? So that also we can assess, as well as those looking to gain a jump start on issues. So it is those companies which want to introduce a new product in that particular market on issues likely to affect the industry in the future. So what are the various issues which affect the market in the future? So all these aspects of the research will be covered with the help of this syndicated research. Then next benefit of syndicated research is measuring brand awareness, strength and perceptions. Now what is this brand awareness? So brand awareness means we should understand that it is the awareness among the people about the existence of a particular brand. So how many people know about this particular brand? How many people are brand loyal, and how many people they have this shifting loyalty? That is, whenever the brand is available, they purchase that brand, but if it is not available, they are not very particular about the brand, they may go in for another brand. So this we call it as the shifting loyalties. So all these kinds of information we can gather with the help of the syndicated research. Similarly, this market overview perspective allows multiple companies who invest in syndicated research to see how their brands and product offerings are viewed among customers and potential customers compared to those of their competitors. With the help of this syndicated research, we can always have an overview of what is the customer's opinion of that particular company's brand. Suppose company is having the products of brand A. Then why the company? What is the strength of their brand? So how many customers are there for their company, for their brand? So we can see how the brands and product offerings are viewed among the customers. So what is the view of their brand? So we can always assess the brand strength with the help of the customers' views on it, and also potential customers. So how many are the potential customers? Who are our future customers? That also we can assess with the help of this compared to those of the competitors. That is, so we can always compare the one brand with another brand and see which of the brands are stronger. And we can also assess what kind of changes in the product will make the customer shift from brand A to brand B, or we can just try to strengthen our brand. So all these decisions can be done with the help of this syndicated research. Then offering competitive intelligence. So the next benefit of syndicated research is it offers competitive intelligence. So by offering insights on macro level industry trends as well as a detailed understanding of the specific issues within an industry or market, syndicated research can be a valuable source for competitive intelligence professionals seeking to gain information on how best to position the companies in a competitive market. So, this kind of a syndicated research, so they help in positioning the companies in a competitive market. So, they will know where exactly the company stands and how the products of that company will be faring. So, how is this possible? So, it is possible only with the help of the competitive intelligence. So, whatever is being provided by the syndicated research. So, we all know that syndicated research is done on a very macro level, that is in a very large scale. Syndicated research, they will be conducting research on the overall business scenario of that particular sector of the business, and as such it will help us to gain a competitive intelligence. So, it will know who are the competitors, who are the key players in that particular field of business. It will also tell us where the exact position of the business is, so in the competitive world. So, all these are important information which will be provided by the syndicated research. Next, syndicated research can help companies develop business building strategies. So, what is this business building strategies? The best syndicated research produces actionable insights with representative information and analysis about a market, customer and behavior, product usage, emerging trends and other industry topics. An organization can strengthen its position to plan specific strategies and take actions that will lead to growth and increased revenue. Organizations have the opportunity to gain the critical knowledge for maximum ROI by investing in syndicated research. So, this syndicated research, it produces actionable insights. Now, what is this actionable insights? So, with the help of syndicated research, we will be able to take proper action relating to the business. So, with the representative information and analysis about a market, customer and behavior, product usage, emerging trends and other industry topics. So, with the help of syndicated research, we will be able to have information about the market, and we will also have information about the customer and the behavior and the product usage. What is the usage of the product? What are the emerging trends and other industry topics? So, what are the other industry topics? An organization can strengthen its position to plan specific strategies and take actions that will lead to growth and increased revenue. So, with the help of all this information, the business will be in a better position to analyze the business situation, as a result of which it will take those decisions which will help in increasing the revenue of the organization. Organization have the opportunity to gain that critical knowledge for maximum ROI by investing in syndicated research. So, to have the knowledge where we can have the greater returns on investment, these organizations have to just invest in the syndicated research so that it will help them in building the business building strategies. So, with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.